Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.2 from cantab grade 9, question number 7 and 8 related to factorization and applying cubic formula. We will do these questions in very easy and simple way. If you are new, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also share the videos. Now we will start our today's lecture. Now question number 7 part 1 is x cube plus 48x minus 12 x square minus 64. Now in this question we will see that x cube is the cube of x and 64 is the cube of 4. Now we will solve this. X cube is the square of cube of x and 64 is the cube of 4. Now these two terms can be we write as minus plus 3 into x into 16 and minus 3 into x square 4. This will become the formula of x minus 4 whole cube. Formula of a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. We can write this as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, or we will convert this in the form of this as a cube plus 3ab square minus 3a square b minus b cube. So this is the final answer, and we will convert all the questions in these formulas of a minus b whole cube, or if all the signs are positive, then we will convert this in a plus b whole cube. Now question number 7 part 2 is 8x cube plus 60x square plus 150x plus 125. So we can write 8 as 2x cube and 125 can be write as 5 cube. And this term can be write as plus 3 into 2 of x square and 5 plus 150 can be write as 3 into 2 of x and 5 square, because 2 square is 4 and x square is x. So this, when we multiply this, it will become 4 into 5 20 and 20 into 3 is 60 and 5 square is 25. 25 multiply 2 50 and 50 multiply 3 is 150. So this is become a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b whole cube, and this is equal to the 2x plus 5 whole cube. This is the final answer. Now we will solve the part 3, that is x cube minus 18x square plus 108x minus 216. X cube can be write as x whole cube and 216 is the cube of 6, and minus 18x square can be write as minus 3 into x square and 6, and 108 can be write as 3 into x into 36 or 6 square. So this is equal to a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b whole cube, and we have x minus 6 whole cube. This is the final answer. Now we have fourth part. 8x cube minus 125y cube minus 60x square y plus 150xy square. We will solve this question in easy way. So 8x cube can be write as 2x cube and 125y cube can be write as minus 5y cube and minus 3 into 2x square and 5y, because 2 square is 4, 4 into 5 20 and 20 into 3 is 60. And then 150xy square can be write as plus 3 2 of x and 5y square. So this will becomes a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and plus 3ab square, which is equal to a minus b whole cube. We will write this as 2x minus 5y whole cube. This is the final answer. Now we will start question number 8. Before starting question number 8, you should learn two important formulas of cube, that are a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These two formulas are used in this question, question number 8. Now 27 plus 8x cube. We will solve this question. 27 is the cube of 3 and 8 is the cube of 2. So we will write this as 2x cube, and this will become, now we apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b means 3 plus 2 of x, then a square plus ab plus b square means 3 square 9 plus multiply both these 6x and square of last term, that is 4x square. So this is the answer. Now we will apply question number 2. Now question number 2 is 125x cube minus 216y cube. So 125 is the cube of 5 and x cube is the cube of x. 216 is the cube of 6 and y cube is the cube of y. Now here we apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is first we subtract these two, 5x minus 6y, then square the first one, that is 25x square, then multiply both these. 5 into 6 is 30 and then xy, and plus b square means 36y square. This is the answer. Now we will solve third part. Now we have the third part, 64x cube plus 27y cube. We will solve this. 64 is the cube of 4 and x cube is the cube of x. 27 is the cube of 3 and y cube is the cube of y. So we will write this as a plus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So 4x plus 3y. Then square the first term, that is 16x square, then multiply both these. This will become 12xy. Then square the last term, that is 9y square. So this is the final answer. Now question number 4 of this 8x cube plus y cube. We will solve this. 8 is the cube of 2 and x cube is the cube of x. So we will write this 2x cube and then y cube can be write is this. Now apply the plus formula, that is a plus b means 2x plus y, then a square means 2x square, that is 4x square, and then ab means multiply 2xy and then y square. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve exercise 4.3 in very easy and simple way. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.